Okay. Good morning, scholars and parents. First things first, we are going to go over this week's packet, Monday, May the 11th, all the way to Thursday, May the 14th. We also want to just make sure that students are joining launch every day at 8:30 in the morning. And then we're going just so that they get their points for attendance, and also so that Miss Darcy and I could see their beautiful faces. So we're going to start with page one of the new packet. It's labeled Monday, May 11th. We are still reading the text, The One and Only Ivan. We are going to read chapter 42, which is titled Elephant Joke. You can find that on page 90 and 96 in the book. So the first thing the student's going to do is they're going to review the vocabulary word intently. You can find that um, definition on page 93 in the book, or I should say how to use it in the text in the book. And then the definition is already provided in the box for the student. Second thing you're going to do is you're going to watch the video of Miss Darcy and I completing a read aloud from pages 90 to 96 on the Google Classroom. And as we read, students, you are to follow along with us in your book. You're then going to answer the comprehension question that's listed below and then complete your learning log. That is for day one.
For
Day two,
Tuesday,
sorry.
you are going to be reading chapters starting at children, pages 97 through 100. You are making sure this whole week everything has to do with cause and effect. So every question is going to be a cause and effect question. You're going to be doing the word contemplating. And you can find that on page 97 in the book, but we already provided for you the picture with the definition. So you had to write your own picture, and this time there's a new thing added. You had to add similar words or synonyms to your vocabulary chart. Then you'll answer the one comprehension question for that day.
Also, just kind of going back to page or Tuesdays, make sure that you look at the second thing you're supposed to do. So Miss Yersi and I are going to read pages 97 and 98 aloud, but then you will take turns reading with us 99 to 100. And we will.
Gonzalez, quick question. So does that mean that they have to like repeat after us while we're reading those 99 and 100?
That is correct. So we will read the page, we will read parts of the page, they will read the same part of the page. We will continue to read other parts of the page. They will read that same part again.
So scholars, it's important that you have your textbook with you and you are reading these pages with us.
And then for Wednesday, May the 13th, again, we're still focusing on cause and effect. You're going to complete the vocabulary word mesmerized, and that is found on page 101 in your novel of The One and Only Ivan. Again, we've already provided you with the definition. You're going to do the sentence, the picture, and then find similar words, which are synonyms, just like Ms. DRC stated. This time you're going to watch the video of us reading, and then you are going to go back and read pages 103 to 105, and this time your parent is going to score you on your reading fluency. If you go to page 4 in the packet, you will find a scoring rubric. Okay? Your parents are either going to give you a 1, 2, or 3, and then you will put in your score, okay, on the packet. And then you will answer 2 comprehension questions and then complete your learning log. And again, those comprehension questions have to do with cause and effect.
All right, and then on Thursday, you're going to do the vocabulary word as usual. And then this time you are going to read pages 111 through 113. Me and Ms. Gonzalez are going to read pages 106 to 110. And we're going to mirror filling in the graphic organizer that you guys will have to complete. So if you look at the graphic organizer on page 6, It's cause and effect. You are open to using the 3 that we did already on the other comprehension questions. So the pages you read, you're only going to have to find 2 on your own if you use the ones that we previously did. And then you also have a quick write. This doesn't require a rubric or anything. It's just jotting down your ideas as fast and as much as you can. Just whatever's on your mind, just write it down. And the writing prompt is, what will Ivan have to do to take care of Ruby? Foreshadowing a little bit, I don't know why Ivan has to take care of Ruby, but I guess we're going to find out this week.
And scholars, if you are still having difficulty with cause and effect, you can always go to your graphic organizer on page 6, and right here it gives you the definition of cause and effect. A cause is why something happens, and the effect is what happens. Remember our example that we did? I scraped my knee, that would be the effect. The cause was because I ran and I tripped. All right, parents and scholars, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to Ms. Darcy and I during office hours, Monday through Wednesday from 2:30 to 3:30, or you can email us at any time. Bye, guys.
Bye, scholars.